Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners on Viacino Tesla. Gap up today, this 4-hour chart by the way, filling the gap completely, not really getting much traction, back to that old Friday pattern. So we're just going to leave these levels the same on any rally next week, especially above Friday's high, 1686.73, 1722.30. Now, for the key support areas, I'm going to be watching this 4-hour rotation zone closely. Right now, 1583. By the time it starts trading on Monday, it's going to edge up to 1600. So I'm going to watch about 1580 to 1600. And then the major support area on the 4-hour, 1526. Do not ignore this 1556 level. If we start dropping into that rotation zone on the 4-hour and get below that 8 EMA, I will really be targeting this 1556 area because we're going to have the rising daily in there. So that's going to be my key support. And we still have a little bit of this gap unfilled. So on any pullback, that is my key first target. If we pulled back further than that, I'd be watching in front of the daily rotation zone anywhere from about 1513 to about 1500. That's my major support on the daily chart for a bigger pullback. It's not overbought on the daily, not yet in overbought. I mean, slightly, but not majorly overbought in Tesla's standards on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the weekly since it's the end of the week. So here again, perfect example of what we mean by the 8 push in the price. So 8 was finally edging up last week, gets in, and you could check this if you have the indicator set to update real time. You can check this throughout the week, but as soon as it gets really close to any lows set, and you get any kind of pop, we start looking for the higher prices. So this was, remember we talked about there are 2 kinds of ways to return to the rotation zone. So this was just a very slight pullback, but pretty much a sideways move. Because look how extended it was from the rotation zone. Drifting sideways, letting the rotation zone catch up. Resumption of trend. So that's the kind of thing we're looking for. So now we have the rotation up on the weekly. So support on the weekly now, should something more catastrophic come out, we're looking at about 1365 to 1390. And then full disaster mode is down around 1100. So we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.